Hi everybody, my name is William Myers. I'm here representing Global eTraining. Very happy to be here today discussing Global eTraining as a world-leading technical training platform. And I would just like to toot our horn a little bit by saying that we're a multi-award winning training platform. We just were recipients of the Software and Information Association CODI Award for 2014 for Best Workforce Development and Corporate Training Solution. Global eTraining seeks to address the challenge posed within all corporate training, is that it's very difficult for large, geographically disparate organizations to implement and use BIM software, no matter what the brand is, to its full potential. And we all know that there are a number of criteria or reasons for that. Limited time budgets, limited training hours, continually updating software. Large employee turnover tends to be an issue. Broken links in mentorship tend to be an issue as a result of that. And you know, in this day and age, with the onset of this rapidly increasing and rapidly developing technology and methodology, still a level of fear in learning training software and processes. So I know in a room of engineers and architects, this line of this graph of completely non-mathematical squiggles will be very entertaining. But this is a very high-level idea of what we find as a training provider and solution provider in the difference between instructor-led and online on-demand training. In the graph on the left, we see where the skills collection and development and accretion is gained at a slow level and then is brought up somewhat a little bit from the institution of instructor-led training, and then as soon as the instructor leaves, that level of training tends to stay the same. What we find and what we promote with online training is the ability to have on-demand training so that the average user base, the average understanding accelerates more quickly over time, and then that leads to the ability to provide advanced custom training in a much faster, much more accelerated pace, and of course that equals savings in time and labor costs. So our eTraining solution is very multifaceted, and we have developed sort of a workflow and process in implementing it, and it starts on the production side. Our training is proven to be scalable, it's proven to be immediate and on demand, and we provide consistent content that of course updates as standards do and as software updates. As we get into the customer experience side of what Global eTraining promotes and presents, and we have an easy administration and rollout process, a top-level customer experience team and process team that helps to integrate and develop ways of championing training within the multi-levels of an organization, from the training to the executive to the people who are doing the training themselves. It works on economies of scale, and of course on our back end, our administration side, we have a large, robust reporting learning management system which enables our training providers to track access, engagement, knowledge retention, and actually receive a trackable return on investment. And of course that makes a workforce that's project ready on demand. So what makes e-training effective? We consider most conventional e-learning as being very component-based. So an online PDF or a YouTube video or a very long lecture recorded from the back of a room somewhere. What Global eTraining excels at is the ability to serve all learning styles with a very comprehensive package of training materials wrapped into one piece. We are, I'm sure everybody in the training space here is aware of the VARC model of training, of learning styles, where we have visual, audio, kinesthetic, and read-write learners. And of course we know that none of us are a single one of those, or even one or two of those. We're all a combination of those, and so it's important for any training provider to be able to serve those combination of learning styles. Of course, in this on-demand world, the ability to access your training on demand is a huge time saver and cost saver. So we're very proud to be able to say that our devices, or that our our training platform is available on all devices, optimized for viewing on iPad, and available wherever the learning tends to be. I could go on for 10 minutes. Please come by and see me at our booth. I would love to have a further discussion with you and give you a demonstration of our product. Thank you very much for your time.